Are you interested in traveling to the United Kingdom? If you are interested to go and work in the United Kingdom, then this video is for you. This video is the UK skilled workers needed. 11,000 plus sponsors, and you are to apply for absolutely free. So, how does this work? I'm taking my time to do a video to explain to you how it works. So, the first thing is you need to come to this particular link, which is going to be dropped in the description box, and you need to find out who is eligible to qualify for the skilled worker visa, and you have to have a job offer from a UK employer. Now, this is what makes it so interesting. The job offer you're going to get from a UK employer is something that you have to start applying for from today. Yes, I said it from today because there are over 11,000 valid sponsorship license companies that can give you that job offer. All you need to do to get the 11,000 plus companies offering sponsorship for qualified individuals from around the world is to come to this link, navigate your way to have a job offer from a UK employer, click on it, and fill the form. It is absolutely free. Once you fill it, you are going to get the 11,000 plus companies offering sponsorship right on your table, right in front of you, and you can start applying by yourself for free. Remember, these jobs are free. You do not pay any money to get this job. You need to meet the required skill level, which is ROQF level 3 or equivalent. That is something that almost everybody who is a skilled worker can actually do. And you need to also meet the English language proficiency requirements. Like I said, this is something you can do by yourself, for yourself, and it is absolutely free. So, one of the ways you can search for jobs, for skilled worker jobs, is by going to platforms like Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn. But I would advise you to forget about those ones for now, since the UK government search website has given you 11,000 plus jobs. 11,000. And we have it here, UK skilled workers needed. Apply for free. 11,000 plus sponsors, guys. You can see this here. Look at this. Look at this. It is free. Free, free, free. So what are you waiting for? Go and start applying. All you need to do is tailor your CV and your cover letter to each job application, emphasizing your skill and experience that match the job description. I have given you the tip and tricks. For all of you that are asking, what is the tip for the CV, for the cover letter? Look at it here, guys. It says clearly, tailor your CV and cover letter to each job application, emphasizing your skill and experience that match the particular job description. This is very, 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 very important. So for every time you are applying, you should ensure that that particular CV and cover letter you are sending for that particular job emphasizes your skill and experience to match the job description. So you should not use one CV for all applications. Please ensure to optimize your CV and make sure you do this properly. Highlight your eligibility for a skilled worker visa, mentioning your willingness to relocate. Very important, because you want to use this particular route to travel, and your ability to meet the visa requirements. This is very, very, very important. Make sure you mention this in your application. Please do this the right way. It is free for you to apply yourself. Open your laptop and start applying right away. Securing a UK skilled worker certificate of sponsorship. Remember, I am taking my time now to break this down and explain to you, so that you don't go and say you bought certificate of sponsorship or somebody gave you certificates of sponsorship. What is a certificate of sponsorship? A certificate of sponsorship is a reference number. Because sometimes I come and see people say, oh, somebody gave me a certificate of sponsorship, somebody did this. It is not a physical document, but a digital record in the UK sponsorship management system. So I don't know where or how you got yours, and I do not know how you did yours, but I'm telling you guys, look at this, read it carefully. A COS certificate of sponsorship is a reference number given to you by your UK employer. It is not a physical document but a digital record in the UK sponsorship management system. I hope you watch this video because we do videos, we write it on our blog, we post it on our Telegram group. We do all of this to make sure you're enlightened. And if you're not enlightened after this, I don't know what else to do, guys. How to obtain a COS. It is very important. You need to understand that once you receive a job letter, your employer will issue a COS. They will need your personal information, job title, salary, and start date. Ensure that your employer is listed in an approved sponsor, that the job meets the required criteria. I've told you guys, all you need to do is navigate to have a job offer from a UK employer. It is free, free, free. Please, I'm sounding it clearly now that this is free for you to apply. The 11,000 plus companies have been put together for you, and it is free. You should not pay any money to anybody to get this, please. So I have also taken my time to show you how to prepare for your UK skilled worker visa application. All of this is to help you do this by yourself, and you can start applying right away. We have also broken down everything regarding the cost for this particular country that you want to apply for, so that you can send this with your employer. Some employers may offer to cover the visa fees as part of your job package. So be sure to negotiate this during your job offer discussions. See guys, this is where you travel for absolutely free. If you can negotiate your visa fee, your flight ticket, everything you need with your company that is sponsoring you, then you can travel for free. And that is why we are putting down this for you to see. So go ahead and start applying. And when it gets to the time of negotiation, take note of this number 5 and be sure to put it on the table so that you can enjoy the travel for free route. Now, once you have done that, you need to attend to your visa application, do your booking, then you wait for a decision. Once you've gotten your decision, you receive your visa and prepare for departure. Arriving in the UK, we've also gone ahead to break down how and what you need to do once you arrive in the UK. You just need to come and read all of these documents to ensure that you are well prepared to start your application now. Guys, don't sleep on this. There are so many other things you can take advantage of here. You can see the UK skilled worker list, everything UK worker shortage. Come here and click on all these other links and read them. And our disclaimer is here, guys. Ensure you always click on the disclaimer to know what this is all about. Don't get confused. Don't pay a dime. Start your process right away. If for any reason you do not still understand all these things that we have broken down in simple steps to you, all you need to do is click on Speak to Happy Face and book an appointment to talk to one of the Happy Face staff or even myself to guide you and put you through. Do not sleep on this, guys. Start applying. And remember, my darlings, to subscribe to our channel because you will be receiving daily updates on ways to travel for free and you can start applying immediately yourself. To subscribe to our channel, all you need to do is navigate to the home page and click on the subscribe button. Also, in case you're just watching us from YouTube for the first time, please come here and join our Telegram group and also follow us on Instagram. You need to join our Telegram group, follow us on Instagram so that when we have free documents that we want to share for our community members, you will also be a part of it. I love you guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the very next video. Bye.